Hey guys, in today's video, I want to show you how to enable LED flash for notifications on iPhone. To enable the LED flash for notifications on the iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. I'm going to be showing you that real quick. To do this, the first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So once you open up your settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down, I want you to tap on accessibility. So let's tap on accessibility over here. So once you tap on accessibility, it will take you to another page. On this page, I want you to scroll down to where we have audio and visual. So I want you to tap on audio and visual. So let's tap on audio and visual. So once you tap on audio and visual, it will bring up this page for you. On this page, I want you to scroll to the bottom, all the way down. Once you scroll to the bottom, you are going to see where it says LED flash for alerts. So I want you to tap on that LED flash for alerts. Once you tap on that LED flash for alerts, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, I want you to tap on this LED flash for alert. Just tap on it to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it will show green. Under it, it says flash while you unlock, turn it on, and flash in silent mode, turn it on. Just make sure you turn all these three things, turn them on. Once you turn them on, they will display in green color. So guys, this is how you can actually turn on or enable LED flash for notifications on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.